the value of 10 square pi by 9 plus 10 square 2 pi by 9 plus 10 square 4 pi by 9. So we have a formula for the same. We have 10 square theta, right? Remember this part, 10 square, we have pi by 3 minus theta, right? Then we have 10 square pi by 3, we have plus theta, okay? This is going to be equal to 9 10 square 3 theta plus 6, right? This is what we have, plus 6. Now, here what has been given to you is given to us theta is equal to how much? Pi upon 9. So we substitute the values. Once you substitute the values here in this form, so we have what? We have this is equal to 9 times 10 square. We have 3 times pi by 9. This is plus 6. And this is going to be how much? This is going to be the C option, that is the 33, right? So this is the final answer we have. Now let us move to the next part. We have a very interesting integral here. We have been given 0 to half 1 plus x to the power 4 upon 1 minus x to the power 4 3 by 2 dx. So you see here simple property being used here. We have 0 to half 1 plus x to the power 4 is divided by 1 minus x raised to the power 4 3 by 2. So what we can do, we can write 0 to half, okay, and we write this way 1 minus x to the power 4 and this is 2x raised to the power 4, right? We divide this integral 1 minus x to the power 4, this is 3 by 2. Then we have 1 minus x to the power 4 and this is 3 by 2 we have, okay. So this is the integral I am talking about, fine. There is a relation, very interesting relation we have. Integral of fx plus x times f dash x whole dx is going to be x fx plus c beta. This is what you have to use. So if you see the integral here, fx is going to be 1 minus x to the power 4, as I told you. Again, let me write it down. This is x to the power 4 3 by 2, which is nothing but we have 1 upon root 1 minus x to the power 4, right. So we can simplify the things, and once we simplify it, we get the options to be the C options, that is we have 2 upon root 15. So let me write it as 2 upon root 15. This is a very simple integral we have. So we have, this is the final answer we have, friends. Now students, let's talk about this problem, question number 42. So the number of ordered pairs a comma b of integers such that log b to the base a plus 6 log a to the base b is equal to 5, where a lies between 2 and 2021 and b lies between 2 and 2021 is equal to what? Let's have a look at the things now. See how the things being done. You have log of b divided by log of a plus 6 times log of a divided by log of b, right? And this is going to be equal to 5. Now log b whole square, then we have 6 log of a whole square is equal to 5 times log a log b, okay. This is what we have. Now you see, this is a equation which we are getting in terms of log a log b. Now suppose we take, say, this to be x, suppose, and this is y. So this is x and this is y, right? So what we get? We get x square plus we have 6y square, okay, and we take this as minus of 5xy equal to 0. Or we can write it in this way. We have x square minus of 5xy plus 6y square is equal to 0. Or if we just factorize this, we are getting it as x square minus of 3xy, we have minus of 2xy. This is 6y square is equal to 0. Or we can take it in this way. This is x can be taken common. This is x minus 3y. Then we have minus of twice of y. This is x minus 3y. This is equal to 0, right? This is what you have. Now you see, here what we are having here to be x is coming out to be 3y. X is equal to 2y also. These are the two cases we have. So what I can do, I can just write this as, I just take it in this way. X we have taken as log b, okay, 3y. So this is 3y. So this is log of a, right? Now b is going to be how much? This is going to be a cube. Similarly, we have x is equal to 2y. So here what we have, we can write b is equal to a square, the second case. Now it has been given that the values of a, the range has been given to you as a is greater than equal to 2, less than equal to 2021. So we have to be very careful in selecting the values of a, and also because we have to check for the values of b also. So more of a hit and trial here, right? And also it has been given 2 less than equal to b less than equal to 2021. This is what has been given to us. Now what we can do, just explanation for the first one, right? So we know that what is 44 square? 44 square is how much? 1936, right? This is 1936. And if you talk about 45 square, this is going to be how much? This is going to be 2025. Okay, so 44 square and 45 square. You see, I have taken this part, the second part, say, right? So this is how it goes. So b has been given to you as a square. I have taken this two cases, 44 square and we have 45 square to be 2025. So we can't take this part, right? Because it is crossing that 2021 mark. Okay, we can't take that. Fine. So a, if we take 44 square, this can be taken, 44 can be taken, 2 also can be taken, right? Now if we take 2, so that we can say that any values for any values of a, any value of a from 2 to 44 is okay, right? It is okay, we can take it. So this you can take. Similarly, if we talk about this, let me take it in first and this is the second one. So we have to count those values. Then for the first case also we have some values. So we have total values as, the C option will be the correct one, right? This is how it goes. Okay, now let me go to the next part.